Well, hello friends, today we're going to build a dream catcher out of twigs. First, we need to decide what shape we would like for our project. It can be a rhombus, it can be a triangle, a hexagon, absolutely any shape that you can think of. I choose a diamond and therefore I will arm myself with a jigsaw and cut some sticks of approximately the same length. To make our project look neater, we will take sandpaper and sand our pegs. If you wish, it can be impregnated with Vaseline oil. And now, on our branches intersections, we drill some holes and fix everything with screws. You might have noticed a blanket on my desk. The thing is that the pegs kept rolling down and I didn't come up with anything better than this. As you can see, this story did not end well for the chest pattern. Actually, this is the kind of hole we got. But of course, we don't get upset and we make holes along the perimeter of our diamond, not exactly in the middle of each stick, but closer to the inside line. And once again removing all the irregularities with our sandpaper. We proceed to weaving using the very same holes that we just drilled. If someone doesn't know how to do this kind of weaving, YouTube offers a lot of videos on this topic. So everything is ready to attach the feathers. So we take the thread, tie both sides of it, and insert the shad's base into the loose knot. On it we apply some fast glue and rub both threads around it. At the end we make a knot. We proceed with the assembly. I decided that on my catcher the feathers would only be on one side of the diamond. I drilled holes on it to which I tied the feathers. The next stage, we take a thread, fold it in half, make a knot, and thus we have a loop on one side. We will hang our dream catcher from it. And on the other side, two threads that we will wrap around the nail and the upper intersection of our figure and tie it. And the final step is to cover the screw caps so they can be hidden. Everything is very simple. We drip glue on the head and rub it with a thread. Following this simple method, you can make a wide variety of dream catchers. If you are interested in my work, I will leave a link to my Instagram page in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. I will appreciate your feedback and will be happy to talk in the comments. Dunyasha Nikiforovna was with you. Bye.